What is going on, guys? So tonight's video is going to be very exciting. I've been waiting for this for quite some time, about a month to be exact. And I bought a luxury item for the family minivan for the Sienna. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show this off. Now, you guys ready? Because I've been waiting for this for a long time. Here is a Toyota style, well, no, a steering wheel for the Toyota Lexus style. As you can see from here, it is part wood and part premium leather. It's also very padded, and I just unboxed this thing right now tonight, and overall it looks very luxe. And it's supposed to be 360 all around. I got the idea from Sienna chat. Of course I'm gonna go ahead and link the thread below, but really props to Sienna chat for throwing light into this, shining light into this whole modification. And the thing about the XSE right here is that we're missing the steering wheel on our 2023 Sienna. And now that it's getting really cold, I've been missing the heated steering option on my dad's Volvo. So this is nice. But the thing about the Sienna is that it's only heated on the 3 and 9 position. But with this one, supposedly it's 360. On top of that, this is Lexus style. It's much more plush around the side. And I love wood grain steering wheel. So this is a mahogany. It's dark, but I think it's under the sun. I think it's a little bit lighter. You can see like a little bit of brown, but overall the black theme really works with the interior of the 2023 25th anniversary Sienna. So here is everything that comes with the kit. Unfortunately, there's a heated steering wheel button that did not ship, so I'm waiting for that. So I can't really install this. So I might as well just do an introduction, a quick unboxing of it, I guess. And the thing about this is I'm a little bit nervous about this, but here is the airbag cover, and I have to transplant the airbag, and that's about it. Hopefully it's plug and play. I'm not sure if I'll need this to go ahead and source power from the 12 volt under the bridge and the 12 volt socket. The Siennas so far are pre-wired for the heating steering wheel, so I'm hoping that's the case right here. So the hardest part will be to remove this and to transplant the airbag. So I'm afraid, since it's a stock airbag that I'm using it, I'm afraid that it might not function in the future. Hopefully not. But everything about this seems OEM, really OEM. It has like the satin chrome, all right? And this part right here, I hope is heated too. But the buttons here are much more softer feeling, much more tactile, but much more like plush. It's nice and solid feeling. Overall, everything about this is the same as the Sienna. And then also it has paddle shifters. Now, why do we need paddle shifters for the Sienna? I don't know, but it's nice and metal feeling. It's just, I guess, metal plated, but still plastic. But it's nice. Other than that, again, I hope this is, again, plug and play. The stitching, let's get a look at the stitching. It's nice. And then I'll show you guys. Let's see if I can show you guys. Whoops. In the shade, I mean, in the light, it's supposed to turn mahogany brown. I think you guys can see it. Maybe not. Looks a little scratched, actually. But I'm alright with it. I'm alright with it so far. It's hefty, pretty heavy. And what else can I talk about? Overall, this part, everything about it seems very premium, very luxe. I'm liking it. So this should be a really neat addition to the interior of the 23 XSE. And again, that was it. That's it. A closer look at the aluminum shifting paddles right here. Right, I don't even have to transfer the OEM buttons because the buttons are right here. Okay. And here Here's a stitching pattern. And definitely a lot more thicker than the OEM steering wheel from Toyota. So on that note, if you guys have any questions, I'll link it for sure. I'll link the stuff, but I can't recommend it as of yet. But so far, everything seems very premium. This part right here seems plastic though. I was hoping for like a leather padded stitching, but it's not. It has a Sienna logo right here. I believe it looks in a way OEM. Can't really get a part number. Right here, can't get a part number. But let's take a look at the interior. Is there a part number here? Nope. But yeah. All right, guys, so check it out. It's pretty late. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.